Hi, this is Brent with Studio One Expert, and in this third video of this four-part series looking at the Waves CLA signature plugins, we're going to be taking a look at the CLA Vocals plugin. Just like all of the other plugins, this one runs on a 6-fader method and it's incredibly simple, so let's get straight into it and have a listen to our existing vocals without the plugin.
You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves? You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves?
Now, I know that this vocal was tracked with compression and also some saturation as well going through a tape head, so we don't have to do a whole lot, and that's always the best way to work in the box, is try and treat it so you don't have to do lots of mixing, make it easier for yourselves, but we can polish it and take it a step further with a nice simple plugin like CLA Vocals. So as you can see, I'm not bringing up any of these bass elements, but I am increasing the top, and that's just so it keeps up with this sort of modern end sheen that we hear on these modern vocals. The nice thing is the saturation on the track is already bringing out some of the top end vocals, but it's not adding any harshness or brittleness to it, so this won't overshine or make anything really brittle. It'll just polish it off. So we move on to the compression circuit here, and we have it on push. Let's have a listen to what these first two are doing.
You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves?
So the top there is just making it really silky and smooth.
You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves?
And the compression is gluing all three of these tracks together because we have a low, a mid and a high, and they're all panned slightly differently.
You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves?
We've got a tight reverb here.
You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves?
And we've got a slap delay, so let's have a listen to that.
You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves?
It's quite subtle, but it really helps it in the mix, just adds depth and space.
That you wanna mix some of my moves?
And lastly, we have the width on the pitch setting.
You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves?
What the width does is it helps push the panned vocals even further to give us this really sort of nice edgy presence. So in context with the track, let's have a listen with the plugin bypassed and then enabled.
You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves? You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves?
And one more time between the two, because there was a little bit of gain compensation there, so let's make up for that now, which we can do within the plugin.
You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves? You got the rhythm and I got the grooves. You wanna tell me that you wanna mix some of my moves?
So another really nice simple plugin from the CLA signature line. Stay tuned for the last video when we're going to look at the CLA guitars plugin.